Whoopsies, it's this guy again, and guess what? Today we're gonna do another 992 GT3 video, but this time it's gonna be loud and probably shooting some flames because we are actually gonna change out the ARMYTRIX exhaust headers, and we're gonna put full race straight through headers from ARMYTRIX, and that means this thing is gonna go back to being loud like a 992 GT3 should sound, very cup car-esque. So you've already heard what it sounds like with the high flow cat headers on there. It sounds really good, but we're gonna take it up a notch, and with our VRTuned pops and bangs, this is gonna be cool. So let's get the GT3 pulled inside and check out these headers. ARMYTRIX headers ready. These look just like the other ones, right? But they're not. They are ready for race, and that is because they are, I dare say, catless, but this is for GT3 track car. That's what these are about. You can see these have just perfect, awesome, big piping in there. This is all stainless steel T304, so that is the good stuff. This is pretty common of what headers are made of because it's strong at last. You're really not going to see headers made of titanium. They'd crack and break in about 2 seconds. There it is. Time to bring the car in and get these things installed. Just finished the install of the race headers. So we've got my existing ARMYTRIX muffler and now the new full race headers. So all complete. We're going to lower the car, give it a little start, a little rev, make sure everything's good before we put the diffuser on. So let's lower this thing and fire it up. The reason that I went with the catless headers over the high flow cat ones was purely because of the sound. You can just hear how this thing pops and bangs, and it's much louder. And when you get up there in the revs, it just screams. Now, of course, when you do catless headers, you definitely have to get a ECU Flash because, well, you've got no cats. With that, we did add a little bit of the extra pops and bangs, which give it a much more fun sound. But the biggest thing that I do love about the ARMYTRIX exhaust is that it does work with the factory valves. The factory valves allow you to switch between that normal and aggressive mode. So you can easily just turn the knob on the steering wheel to change the tone. Right now, it is in normal mode, and I bet you can hear me talk very, very clearly. The drone is not even there, and that is what makes these valvetronic exhausts so special, is that even with the catless headers and the increase in sound, you can still drive very comfortable. Now, this definitely isn't your Panamera or your turbo for luxury cruising, but it allows you to still be able to function and have those business calls that you need if you're daily driving your GT3. So being that I've had 4 different exhaust systems on here, I can tell you that this setup is probably my favorite so far. So this is just the right amount of sound and performance that I was really looking to get out of the GT3. Let's switch to daylight.
it is, the Catless headers for the 992 GT3. Keep in mind that these are for track use only. ARMYTRIX does have high flow cat options and race cat options, so whatever you're looking for with your headers, check out the product links down in the description below. They're all available. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.